Welcome back. We left off as the sun set over the hills, and today we wake up in Bairro Alto, a neighborhood that has two very different souls. By day, its quiet alleys reveal a bohemian charm, decorated with layers of street art that tell the story of Lisbon's modern creative spirit. Just a few steps away is the Beca funicular, perhaps the most photographed street in all of Portugal. It's a perfect snapshot of Lisbon: steep hills, historic yellow trams, and the river always waiting at the bottom. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. As we move from the bohemian Bairro Alto, we enter Chiado, the city's sophisticated cultural heart. This is home to Livraria Bertrand. Established in 1732, it holds the record for the oldest bookstore still in operation. Inside, the air is thick with the scent of old paper and the quiet reverence of centuries of literature. Nearby, a Brasileira cafe remains a legendary meeting spot for writers and artists, much as it was a century ago. The spirit of Portugal's greatest poets still seems to linger here, over a cup of strong Beca espresso. Overlooking the Chiado are the hauntingly beautiful ruins of the Carmo convent, a stark reminder of the 1755 earthquake. Descending into the Baixa, we find the Rocio station, an architectural gem that looks more like a palace than a train terminal. The grand squares here are the city's living rooms, where the sound of splashing fountains creates a cool oasis in the afternoon sun. But Lisbon isn't all ancient history. Just down the hill is the famous Pink Street. Once the city's red light district, it has been transformed into one of the most vibrant nightlife hubs in Europe. And right next door is the Mercado da Ribeira, where the city's best chefs bring Lisbon's flavors to life under one roof. The bounty of the Atlantic is on full display here, a testament to Portugal's deep-rooted connection to the sea. Leaving the market, we find ourselves back at the water's edge, walking along the Ribeira das Naus. This was once the city's shipyard, where the great ships of the Age of Discovery were built. It leads us to the grand entrance of the city, the Praça do Comércio, a symbol of Lisbon's resilience and rebirth. The arch stands as a gateway between the river and the city, a monument to the endurance of the Portuguese spirit. From here you see the perfect geometry of the Pombaline Baixa, rebuilt with vision and strength. In the center, the king watches over a space that has seen everything from royal arrivals to modern celebrations. As the afternoon light begins to stretch, the square feels grand and intimate all at once. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.